Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Cindy and in today's video is part 2 of our Christmas decor with me in the living room. In today's video we are going to add all our ornaments and pine cones to the Christmas tree. Last week I shared the first part of the living room and I shared the tutorial of how to do this beautiful giant bold tree topper. Finally, we're going to dress up the mantle, adding more garlands and picks to make a statement. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you go. Let's jump right into the video. Last week we put up the Christmas tree, DIY this giant ball with 3 yards of fabric from Hobby Lobby. It had glue gun, scissors, and filler. We added a few touches of Christmas to come back today and add the finishing touches to this room. Now for our second DIY of this Christmas 2025, my girls went to our backyard and picked up so many pine cones, which we are going to use today to create 2 garlands for our Christmas tree. After checking for any insects, I have all my pine cones here and you only need floral wire. Leave 3 to 5 inches of floral wire before attaching your first pine cone. With this, you are going to secure the garland to a Christmas tree branch. And I'm just trying to make sure that they are really secure from the top of the pine cone before adding the second one. Put your favorite podcast or Christmas music and do this. I did 2 6-foot pine cone garland. We're going to start by adding the garlands to the tree. This DIY pinecone garland was so easy to create and it adds texture and depth to the tree. I started from one end of the tree and take it to the other side. We can still see the left side of the tree from the couch, so I need to make sure we fill in these gaps. I have 2 on this eucalyptus garland and I'm adding it to the tree, overlapping the pine cones, adding more color, texture, and dimension. I'm going to repeat this process for the bottom of the tree. This eucalyptus garland I found on Walmart for under $10 last year. I will leave everything that I can listed down below in the description box. Now let's start adding some ornaments to the tree, and our best friend will be this floral wire. This I found on Amazon. It brings plenty and it's so easy to use. It has a little grip so you can cut it. You don't need scissors. And I'm just going to do a cluster of 3 ornaments to put it next to the bow on top.
The city is covered in snow tonight.
Now it's time for the biggest spheres. With this I have 2 colors, brown and burgundy, in different sheens. I'm placing it strategically on the tree.
Inside, and all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean nothing till it's here with me. If you know the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I
Next is to add ornament clusters in different sizes. I have some velvets, shimmery ones, the satin one, and placing it next to the bigger ornaments.
Sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing.
For the finishing touches, I'm adding these gorgeous dark berry stems from Hobby Lobby that complements so well the colors of the tree. Remember to open those stems for a fuller and more natural look. Finally, my crystal ornaments from Amazon would add a touch of glam to our 2025 Christmas tree. These are very inexpensive, a pack of 26 pieces. Beautiful, will use year after year. And finally, if you have an artificial tree like me, these scented ornaments are the perfect addition to your tree.
Love is all I need, and my love I get.
Moving on to the mantle, remember that I only use one of the 9-foot cedar garland from Amazon. I bought this black command hook that we are attaching to the mantle. Now I added back the cedar garland, and we are going to overlap a few of the Norfolk pine garland to add more movement and texture to this mantle 2025. Now for the middle of the mantle, I needed to reinforce it a little bit, so I decided to get a nail. I know it really hurt me, but this is a small nail, black one. It's just going to help me maintain this garland for the whole season. Now let's intertwine those different garlands to make it appear more natural, and I'm going to attach some of the ends to the other garland with Velcro. For a total of garlands, I use 1 on the 9-foot cedar garland from Amazon and 3 on the 6-foot Norfolk pine garland. To continue with the color scheme and using elements from the Christmas tree, I'm pulling away some stems from this berry branch and scatter around the mantle.
I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other.
These gorgeous ranunculus in this burgundy color will bring softness and more beauty to our mantle.
Gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you.
down to the coffee table, I wanted to create a floral arrangement with red roses that my husband gifted me with winter greenery for an added pop of color. I cut some branches from my pine tree, hanoki, and Japanese tree.
Oh, nothing wrong with sleigh bells in the snow, but I'll be home for
I added 2 dark berry branches for a whimsical touch. And finally, I ordered these beautiful red velvet pillow covers to complement all the colors that we have in the room.
There is nothing else I wish for. Won't you make my dream come true?
And this is our final touch for this room for this Christmas 2025. I hope you enjoyed it.
Make me wish you were here. I'll be home for you. When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss, a green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, red presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.
I'm so happy how everything turned out, how my predominant colors, chocolate brown and burgundy, stand out, making this room cohesive, elegant, and ready for the holiday season. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Happy holidays.
Nothing compares to the love that we share.